Biocomposite Materials Based on Chitosan and Lignin, Preparation and Characterization. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. Please follow the link to review the research in further details. Thanks to all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share, and subscribe. In this study, bioactive composite systems based on natural polymers, chitosan and lignin, were prepared. The structural, mechanical, and morphological properties of chitosan-based materials containing various amounts of lignin filler were investigated. The infrared IR spectroscopy data confirmed the formation of chemical bonds between the components of the obtained composites. It was demonstrated that the breaking elongation values of the obtained film samples in the wet state were higher, 150 to 160%, than the corresponding average value of a pure chitosan film, 100%. The scanning electron microscopy and atomic force microscopy data demonstrated that the introduction of lignin had caused significant changes in the surface morphology of films. The appearance of a strongly pronounced texture and porosity facilitated cell proliferation on the surface of composites, for example, the bioactivity of film samples that was enhanced with an increasing lignin content in the chitosan matrix. In summary, the researchers obtained biocompatible and bioactive material systems based on the composites containing natural polymers, chitosan and lignin, which may find application in tissue engineering.